Oh, shoot. Let's go.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lewis County and Middle Tennessee.
That's not what I signed up for.
Central Maury County.
Okay.
In Middle Tennessee until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hohenwald, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour.
Ooh.
Exposed damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbia, Hohenwald, Spring Hill, Thompson Station, Santa Fe, Gordonsburg, Cummins, Hampshire, Williamsport, Prince Springs, and Leapers Fork. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 49 and 52. Interstate 840 between mile markers 12 and 26. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado serious injury and significant property damage. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.